Devin AI has been making headlines recently, and it's understandable why some software engineers might be feeling a bit uneasy. But let's clear the air. There's no need to panic. Devin AI is an advanced artificial intelligence system designed to automate certain tasks, but it's not here to replace us. Instead, it's a tool that can help us become more efficient and productive. It can take care of repetitive tasks, freeing us up to focus on more complex and creative aspects of our work. Remember, AI systems like Devin are tools, and they're only as good as the people who use them. They lack the human touch, the ability to understand context, to think outside the box, and to bring a unique perspective to problem solving. These are skills that we as software engineers excel in. So instead of seeing Devin A as a threat, let's look at it as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to adapt to the changing landscape of technology.